Hello my dear kids, good morning to all. Welcome to our online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Smita Miss, your English teacher. How are you my dear children? Hope everyone is fine and safe at your home. Now last class, what did we discuss children? We learned about vowels and consonants. Do you remember? Yes? Very good. Let us recall all the vowels and consonants. See here, what all are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So, how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. Tell again. A, E, I, O, U. And how many consonants are there? There are 21 consonants. Right children? You all remember? Yes. Let us recall again. See. Say loudly. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These all are the consonants. Right children? So, how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels and there are 21 consonants. Altogether we have 26 letters. You all remember, right children? We have also learned words from A, E, I and O. Let us recall those words. Are you ready? Look here children. Which letter is this? This is A. From A, which all are the words we learned? See here. H, A, T. Hat. B, A, G. Bag. Tell again. H, A, T. Hat. Bag. Next, it is E. With E sound, which all the letters we learned? It is N, A, T. Net. L, A, G. Leg. Net. Leg. With I sound. See here. I sound. Which all the words we learned? S, I, T. Sit. P, I, G. Pig. Sit. Pig. Next, it is O sound. With O, P, O, T. Pot. L, O, G. Log. Pot. Log. After O, what is the next letter in vowel? U, right? U. What is the sound of U? A. Now, what is this children? U, right? Now, can you see this one? What is this? Yes, say louder. Hut, right? What is the sound? H. H means which letter will come? H. H, A. A sound U. H, A, T. Hut. Look here. H, A, T. A sound. We should write U. Did you get it? H, A, T. Hut. Now, see the next picture. What is this? Can you see? What is this children? This is bug. See here, B. What is the first sound coming? It is B. B. A means which sound it is coming? Which letter will come? U. A. G. Bug. Shall we repeat again? H. A. T. Hut. B. A. G. Bug. Repeat again. H. A. T. Hut. B. A. G. Bug. Did you get it children? Which picture? See the picture. This is bug and this is hut. Can you see? Yes, very good. Now, in your textbook, you have few more words to read. See here children, we have already revised these words in last class. We will repeat and then we will learn the next one. See here with A, what all are the words? Hat, mat, cat, bat. E sound, pen, men, ten, hen. I sound, bin, tin, win, pin. O sound, pot, hot, cot, dot. See the next letter, it is U. Can you see? Yes, U. So, what is the first letter here? J. So, what is the sound of J? J. J. A. Next letter is G. What is the sound of G? G. So, J. A. G. Jug. See the next letter. What is the first letter here? M. What is the sound of M? M. M. A. G. Mug. Next letter B. So, what is the sound? B. A. G. Bug. See the next letter word. What is this? H. H. What is the sound of H? H. H. A. G. Hug. Repeat again. U for U sound it is jug, mug, bug, hug. These all are the words with U sound. Okay. Repeat again children. U sound words are jug, mug, bug, hug. Did you get it? You should practice reading these words in your house. Now we have one worksheet here. See here. Can you see? Yes. See the picture, first picture. Can you see the picture here? What is this children? We learned in last class. What is this? Yes, it is log. What is the sound coming for log? L. L means which letter will come? L. L. Lo. O means O. G. Log. See the next picture. Cot. So what you should write? C. C. O. T. So log. L. O. G. So you should write O here. What you should write? O. So L. O. G. Log. C. O. T. Cot. See the next picture. What is this? Bag. So where is B? Where is B here? Can you see? Yes, here it is. Right? So B. A. G. Bag. See the next picture. It is fan. What is the first sound coming for fan? F. So here it is. What is this? F. F. N. So what you should write here? A. Now see the next picture. What is this? Pen. Right? Which sound it is coming for pen? P. So where is P? P. Where is P? Can you see? Yes, here it is. So P. E. N. Pen. What you should write here? E. And the next picture, what is this? This is number 10. What is this? This is number 10. So what is the spelling? 10. T. T. Very good. T. E. N. 10. Right? T. E. N. 10. P. E. N. Pen. Now see the next picture. Yes, this is number 6. What is this? This is number 6. How to, sir, what sound it is coming? It is yes, right? Sir. S. I. X. 6. And see here, can you see? It is pin. What is this? Pin. So, P. 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 I. N. Pin. 6. S. I. X. 6. P. I. N. Pin. So, what you should write here? I. See the next picture. What is this? Sun. Sir. Sun. S. U. N. Sun. See the next picture. Bug. Right? B. A. G. Bug. S. U. N. Sun. B. U. G. Bug. So, what you should write here? U. Right? You should practice writing and reading all these words. Okay kids? You have also a worksheet in your worksheet book. This is your worksheet book. You have a worksheet here. Now look here. What is this? Look at each picture and circle the correct picture name. You should see the picture and read and see what name is coming for this picture. So what is this? Yes, it is bat. Right children? Bat. So what is the first sound it is coming? B. So where is the first letter B is coming? Is this B? No, this is M, A, T. See the next word? B, A, T. So what you should do? You should circle bat. Did you get it? Now see the next picture. What is this? What is this? Bell. Very good. Bell. Now see the first word it is. Which letter it is starting? W. So is this the word? W? No. The next word see. Which word is the first letter? S. So is this the sound? No. See the next one. B. Bell. B. So B, A, L. Bell. Right? So you should circle this word. Okay? The next picture. What is this? What is this children? Yes, this is bin. What is this? Bin. B, A, N. Bin. What is this? T. In. Tin. This is P. So which word we should circle it? This is bin. So you should circle in bin. See the next picture. What is this? This is pot. So we should find out where is pot here. Can you find out? P. Yes, here it is P. So P, O, T. Pot. So you should circle pot. See the next picture. What is this? Tub. So what is the sound? First sound coming? T. So where is the first letter T is coming? Can you find out? Yes. Is this? No. See here T. Yes. T, A, B. Tub. So you should circle this word. Okay. You should practice this at your home. Okay children. Last class we also wrote A sound words. Do you remember? Did you all write it? Yes. Have you written it children? Yes. What is this? Cat. Next, it is bag. Can you see? Bag. Very good. With E sound, what did we write? Net. N, A, T. Net. And the next word it is leg. L, A, G. Leg. And today we are going to write the word I sound words. Okay? Can you see? What is this? I. You should tell your parents to draw 2 lines and give you. Okay? And you should write I. Small letter I. And next it is I, T. E, T. It. Next S, E, T. Sit. I, it, sit. Did you get it? And when you are writing, it should come in between the 2 blue line. Okay kids? I, it, sit. Repeat again. I, it, sit. The next word is, see here, I, G, E, G, egg, P, E, G, pig. I, egg, pig. Did you get it? I, egg, pig. You should practice both the words in your notebook. Okay? Very good. Now, we will see you in next class. Study well, practice well, and always practice writing capital and small letter, because those words is very important to read and write. Okay? See you in next class. Bye-bye.